All right, let's get straight to it. If you're tired of forgetting what you learn in English, you're not alone. I've been there too, cramming vocabulary, memorizing grammar rules, and then, poof, it's gone a week later. So today I'm sharing my top retention strategies to help you actually remember what you learned. First tip, stop studying like it's 1999. Passive reading and highlighting, not enough. Instead, start using active recall. After you read something, close the book and try to say it back in your own words. It's tough at first, but it works. Your brain needs to struggle a bit to make memories stick. Second, space things out. Don't try to learn 100 new words in one night. Spread your learning over days or even weeks. This is called spaced repetition. It helps you remember for longer. There are apps for this, but even a simple notebook works. Review words today, review words tomorrow, review words next week. Each time you'll remember more. Tip number 3, use what you learn. Don't just keep new words in your head. Write a sentence with them. Say them out loud. Teach someone else. Teaching is magical for memory. If you can explain a grammar rule to your friend, you'll never forget it. Fourth, mix it up. If you always study the same way, your brain gets bored. Watch a video, listen to a podcast, read an article, chat with someone online. The more you use English in different ways, the stronger those connections get. Bonus, make mistakes. Don't be afraid to mess up. Every time you use English and get it wrong, your brain learns. Keep going, laugh at your errors, and try again. That's how real progress happens. Finally, set tiny, realistic goals. Instead of, I'll be fluent in a month, try I'll learn 5 new words today. Celebrate small wins. They add up faster than you think. Recap, active recall, spaced repetition. Use what you learn. Mix up your methods. Embrace mistakes. Set small goals. English isn't about being perfect. It's about getting a little better every day. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share your favorite strategy in the comments. Remember, the best way to learn English is to never stop trying. See you next time.